Need a present for your favorite foodie? Or, that person who has everything? Is a birthday coming up? How about a graduation? It's never too early to start stocking up for Christmas. Okay, so if any of this rings a bell, try this. And I'd like to help you push the easy button by gift wrapping each cookbook personally to make your life a little easier. Lakeside Table Sauces is a full-color hardback cookbook with 300 pages filled with tested recipes, beautifully photographed. With tons of tips and techniques I learned in culinary school and working in the food industry, the recipes in Lakeside Table Sauces make cooking fun. Or it can just be pretty. Looks great just sitting over there on your coffee table. Regardless of how you want to use it, I always gift wrap it for free so you have a wonderful and easy gift to give. Normally it's $39.99 plus shipping, but honestly, I run a lot of specials. So click on the link or go to lakesidetable.com/shop to find the current deal and make the next gift you need to give a no-brainer.